当你的双排搭子选出了火男后，小头一说就是导弹。
Flashing.
I got you guys.
Walling.
Guys, I've been stunned and flashed off.
Walling.
This guy.
Go, dude, walk in.
I don't need it. Let me get my ace.
Wait, guys, wait, just wait. Oh my.
You like that smoke? You like that smoke, people? Save my king right there. Oh, dude, this hurts.
Wait, don't get off, don't die. Wait, how did she die?
Yo, why are you gonna hurt a Vietnamese brother like that, bro?
Holy shit, a Vietnamese brother?
In.
Jump out, you guys ready? 3, 2, 1, go! I'm flashing again. Go, flash. Ah! Oh, he's there,
Hugo, I think you need to run it down. I think we need to do what we were doing on split. And I'll be right there with you. Oh, it could have been so good. Not only are you flashing me every round, my Yoru's now flashing me.
I feel like you're just projecting the net.
Told you, we just fucking run these dogs down.
Wait. What the fuck? Why can't I flash? That fuck?
Watch out, trips.
What the fuck? Wait, I can't flash.
One behind.
Oh my god, why did I my print fire that shit? Wait, why does my... Wait, what?
Close lobby, just too long, it's too long.
Holy whippage, holy fuck! Listen.
Putting on jet.